A GoPro Hero 12 Black. I'm going to show you how to delete the photos and videos on your GoPro that's on the SD card. Okay, so first thing, it doesn't matter where you're at. I mean, you can be on photo or you can be on video or whatnot. Just go ahead and from the bottom slide up. Okay, and then you want to tap on this little square on the top left hand side right there. Now you can see all my photos and videos. I don't have that many. I only have like 8 here, but you can tell they're videos. If they have a timer. If they don't, then they're just a photo. So from here you can select each one if you want to, and then you can delete from there. You can also select all of them as well. Let that delete. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that little square again. Oops, let's tap on that square. And you have the select all button here too. Okay, so if I tap that, then I can select which ones I want to delete. Okay, or if you just press that again twice, and then you can delete them all if you wish, or you can select which ones you want to delete from here as well. And I'll delete that. Anyway, I think you guys got the message.